What's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are showcasing a new exhaust system on the 2022 GR86, and this one is the AWE exhaust, which just released on this platform. Very excited to bring you guys this content. Now let's get everything unboxed and ready for install. I got both the track and the touring cap back, and both boxes arrived. They were packaged very nicely, lots of padding to prevent the piping from getting scratched or dented. So here's a piece of the track system, and the other box is all the pieces for the entire touring catback. The track and touring can be swapped out with just the rear axle back, which is very nice. Here we have the main 3-inch piping, and we also have the resonator, which is also 3-inch piping. Very beautiful welds on that as well. Here in this box we have the beautiful 5-inch slanted black tips. They are also double wall tips, which I prefer. Definitely looks more aggressive. And then here we have the touring part of the catback, so you get the two 180 technology mufflers. So here again, comparing the two, you can see the touring has the 180 technology mufflers, which makes it drone free, and the track system is essentially a straight pipe. So if you're going for loud, or you're going for still loud but no drone, you can choose between the touring and the track, which I think is awesome. Funny enough, AWE includes a little spot on every exhaust system for a blow pop, so just to make your install a little sweeter. And then here's the rest of the stuff included in the box, along with an awesome AWE sticker we'll be rocking. Not to mention their instructions are also on a QR code on this little sheet, which will pop up on a page and just show you step by step how to install the catback exhaust. After about an hour and some stubborn hangers, we got everything clamped together. It's a very easy, straightforward install, and the AWE system is installed. Now let's enjoy a cold start of this Track Edition AWE system. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that cold start. It is pretty freaking loud when you first start it, and sometimes when I leave at 4 in the morning, I think my neighbors hate me. So anyway, the cold start's really loud. It settles down though. Obviously it's the track, so the track's gonna be pretty loud versus the touring with the mufflers. So yeah, and if you guys aren't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe. 97.2% of you guys are not subscribed right now, so if you guys all subscribed, we would be we'd be popping on YouTube. So anyway, if you guys want to see more GR86 content on this platform, make sure to subscribe and drop a like down below if you guys made it this far. All right, now let's get into some more exhaust clips.